Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. 2 o'clock. It is raining. Not very strong, but it is sure making you wet. Good afternoon. Wow, amazing. Those kids. Yeah, whenever I'm getting out of work, I come to each of them and I'm telling them that Chef, I go, Beck, I go, Patrick, I go, see you tomorrow. Yeah, they reply, yeah, enjoy your day off, have a nice day, good night, nice weather today, are you going to the beach? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, bye Robbie, like that. Yeah, when I leave the house this morning, it was not raining. Yeah, so I was wearing my shoes. So this time I leave my shoes at the locker and I'm wearing my extra working shoes. My socks is in my backpack. We're going to make a pasta sauce. I'm just going to reduce this cream because I don't have rice. I have only this much of rice. This is not enough. Yeah, leftover, not enough. So I'm going to make a pasta as my lunch dinner. Yeah, I am boiling water, reducing this cream. Oh, it's reduced now. We're just going to grate some cheese. Yeah, we don't have grater, so use this one. Salt. We put salt. Yeah, normally the penne it cooks within 8 to 10 minutes. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I am ready now. 11 o'clock. I'm just ready to have my breakfast. Oh, this is lunch. Fried egg. And rice. I'm going to put it in the chiller so that it will be still good tonight. Oh, this is empty. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I was just right outside of the house when the rain started. We're going to cross on the other side. Oh, it's never ending. The cars keep on coming. We're going this way. Yeah, there's one dog there. He's biting my shoes. Yeah, but you know, in the scene like that, I always stop. Yeah, because if I run faster, that would be triggering the dog to bite me more. Yeah, they will be eager to bite me. Yeah, it is wet everywhere. Even the stable is wet. Yeah, so I think it is better to get to work now. And we'll see you later. Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, I just finished cooking this. This is pancit bihon. Yeah, there's chicken. The chicken is the leftover fried chicken from 2 days ago that I found in the chiller in the fridge. Yeah, today my duty will start at 12 o'clock until 9 o'clock. Yeah, there's nothing much. Yeah, I just charged my battery of the bike and it's fully charged now. And I'm having a coffee at the moment. I have my extra battery here with the GoPro. You know, I already sold the GoPro Hero 5. I posted it in marketplace in Facebook. And yeah, there is one guy from Salamander, no, not from Soldier's Point. And yeah, he came here. Actually, before we had a conversation in the Facebook. Yeah, negotiating about the price. And yeah, finally he decided to take it. Yeah, I was checking on Facebook Marketplace about the ranging of second-hand GoPro Hero 5, and it's ranging from 250. No, it's actually 300. The cheapest is $300 second-hand GoPro, because you know the regular price of brand new GoPro is around 400, and the second hand in Facebook is around $300. Yeah, and then I posted it for 250, and after 1-2 days there are some inquiries, and yeah, I gave it to the first person who is very much interested. Yeah, I gave it for just $200 because the guy seems so nice and I think he needs it. So yeah, I give it $200. It's okay. I also offered this to him, but you know, I think he's not aware about this thing, this gimbal. Yeah, I am going to sell this also because I don't need anymore that one, because you don't know. Yeah, you don't know that I have this kind of a gimbal, right? I didn't show it to you before. Yeah, I have this gimbal. This is a gimbal for GoPro. Yeah, this is a Payotech gimbal. I forgot how much I bought this. Yeah, and it's good, lighter than the other one. So basically I have now two gimbal, that one and the one for Canon M50. What's that? Yeah, I have, what's the, I forgot. The the Crane M, the Xion Crane M, and that one. Yeah, so I'm going to keep the Xion Crane M, and then I'm going to sell this. Yeah, I offered to him that one, but I think he's not aware about stabilizer. Yeah, and he don't like. Good morning, guys. Yeah, we're going to work now. The same like yesterday. My duty today is 12 to 9 o'clock in the evening. Yeah, and we're going to the same way like yesterday. Good evening, guys. Yeah, I'm wet because the rain comes like I am 3 minutes away from the house. Yeah, so it's like this, but not too much. Yeah, but I can't feel it. Yeah, today was very busy. There are two functions, one in the other side and one in the main kitchen. Yeah, but it was smooth, organized, which is good. Yeah, I am still able to go home on time. Yeah, my duty was 12 to 9, and that's what I did. The other guys, their duty is like 12 to 9, but some of them they come early because they know with themselves that they have to come early to finish their things. I'm tired because I was running really fast to, you know, because of the rain.